Attention Jinzi technology. Now I will show how to use the smart remote LED sign. This is the remote control. It's similar about the keyboard. First we press the ESC, then press the Enter. 有些地方是 move action, speed, stay, color, and size in there. Now you enter the contents. How are you? Now we enter the mark questions. Press the shift. When you want to press, when you want to program the number, just press the number bar. 1, 2, 3. After you finish the program, just press the Enter. You will see the message just you programmed. It's very simple and user-friendly. Thank you for watching.